Hey guys, I'm George, Head of Product at Press, and today I'm going to show you what makes our spicy vegan chili tick. What keeps our meals so delicious is our dedication to great flavour and quality of ingredients. For every recipe, we went through 10 to 15 different versions before we settled on our favourite one. Our spicy vegan chili contains 4 types of chili, 2 types of beans, lentils and butternut squash, giving you a chili full of depth, flavour and a spicy kick. One of the most important and often overlooked nutrients in our diet is fibre. We need a recommended 30 grams of fibre every day, and the NHS have found that most people are only getting 18 grams. Our vegan meals are a great source of fibre, and our spicy vegan chili packs a hefty 11 grams, over 30% of your daily fibre in one meal. Our meals are hand prepared by chefs in small batches. We actually use bespoke flat-bottom kettles that replicate the freshness and flavour of home cooking, but achieve consistency for each batch. This means, in just the 4 minutes it takes to spin in a microwave, you've got a delicious, healthy, homemade meal right there in your bowl. Good for you, good for the planet.